Today we're going to demystify one of the most important yet misunderstood chemicals in modern industry, methanol. Although it's found in countless industrial products and is becoming an increasingly important alternative fuel, many people still confuse it with ethanol or simply know it as wood alcohol. So, what exactly is methanol? How is it produced? And why has it become such a valuable chemical for industries around the world? Methanol, also known as methyl alcohol, is the simplest alcohol molecule consisting of one carbon atom, for hydrogen atoms, and one oxygen atom, CH3OH. Despite its simple structure, it is one of the most versatile chemicals used today. It is a colorless, volatile, highly flammable liquid with a characteristic odor. Unlike ethanol, the alcohol found in alcoholic beverages and some automotive fuels, methanol is extremely toxic. Even small amounts can cause permanent blindness, severe organ damage, or death if ingested, making proper handling and identification absolutely critical. Methanol earned the nickname wood alcohol because it was originally produced by heating wood in the absence of oxygen, a process known as destructive distillation. During this process, wood released several chemical compounds, including methanol. The substance was first isolated in 1661 by the English scientist Robert Boyle, but its chemical composition wasn't fully understood until 1834, when French chemists Jean-Baptiste Dumas and Eugene Pelagat identified its molecular structure and officially introduced the name methanol. Today, however, methanol is produced using much more advanced industrial methods. Most of the world's supply comes from natural gas, although coal, biomass, agricultural waste, and even municipal waste can also serve as feedstocks. These raw materials are first converted into syngas, a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Under high temperatures and pressures, and in the presence of specialized catalysts, these gases react to form methanol with remarkable efficiency. A growing area of research focuses on green methanol, produced using captured carbon dioxide and renewable hydrogen or biomass. This process has the potential to recycle carbon emissions while creating a cleaner fuel and chemical feedstock, making methanol an important component of the transition toward a low-carbon economy. One reason methanol is so valuable is its incredible versatility. Rather than being used directly, most methanol serves as a building block for manufacturing thousands of other products. It is essential for producing formaldehyde, which is used in resins, adhesives, engineered wood products, and construction materials. It also plays a major role in the production of acetic acid, plastics, paints, pharmaceuticals, synthetic fibers, and numerous industrial solvents. In many ways, methanol is one of the invisible foundations of modern manufacturing. Methanol has also become increasingly important as an energy source. It can be burned directly in specially designed internal combustion engines and has even been used in motorsports because of its high octane rating and excellent cooling properties. It can also be blended with gasoline and fuel such as M85 or used in the production of biodiesel through the transesterification process. More recently, methanol has attracted significant attention as a clean marine fuel. Several shipping companies are investing in methanol-powered vessels because it can reduce emissions while being much easier to store and transport than hydrogen. It is also used in direct methanol fuel cells, which generate electricity for portable devices and may eventually power larger vehicles. Despite these advantages, methanol must always be handled with great care. Its toxicity is its greatest hazard. The human body converts methanol into formaldehyde and formic acid, compounds that can severely damage the nervous system and optic nerve. Exposure can occur not only through ingestion but also through inhalation of vapors and prolonged skin contact. Additionally, methanol burns with a pale blue flame that can be difficult to see in daylight, making fires especially dangerous. Looking toward the future, methanol could play a key role in reducing global carbon emissions. Green methanol offers a promising pathway for decarbonizing industries that are difficult to electrify, including shipping, aviation, and heavy manufacturing. Because it is liquid at room temperature, it is also much easier to transport and store than hydrogen, making it an attractive energy carrier for future hydrogen-based technologies. Methanol is far more than just another industrial chemical. It is a critical raw material, a versatile fuel, and a promising solution for cleaner energy systems. Understanding how it is produced, where it is used, and how to handle it safely helps us appreciate why this simple molecule continues to play such an important role in the modern world, and why it may become even more important in the decades ahead.